Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to gradient color for lock screen clock on iPhone iOS 18. And this is quite simple because if we hold our finger on our lock screen, just right here, we have the option to customize. Right now, if we click on lock screen, we can customize our lock screen clock by clicking or tapping on the time. Now, from here, we want to gradient color. So what we're going to do is tap on the third option. And right now we just gradient color our clock. Now we can also change the font if you want that. And we can also change the thickness of our clock that we like. Now I like this one. Right now if I do cross and then do done and then click on my home screen again, we just change our lock screen clock with gradient color. And this is exactly how it works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.